Assalamu alaikum. Did you know a sea turtle can live for more than 100 years? That's longer than humans and elephants. Do you know octopuses have 9 brains and 3 hearts? Did you know kangaroos hop because they cannot move their legs independently? Did you know starfish have no brains? Did you know a giraffe's tongue is so long that it uses it to clean its ears? Did you know male peacocks begin to grow their colorful tails only after they are about 3 years old? Hummingbirds cannot walk. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video. Allah Hafiz.